McPherson from the agency, and welcome to our latest listing at 15 Lamberton Street in the Yeppoon CBD. Now guys, you're gonna absolutely love this one. It's cute as a button, offers so much privacy, and has that BJ wall paneling, wood floors and high ceilings that I know you all love. So let's head on in and have a look. Complete with a 5-burner gas cooktop, I absolutely love the mixed materials used in this kitchen. We have granite, wood, and even stainless steel. Situated on a 1,240 metre square allotment, you will be impressed with the privacy the established gardens offer. I absolutely love the plethora of entertaining options at this home though, and the way that the living, dining and kitchen connect to the outdoors.